This is going to be revolutionary here. It's going to make us all a lot of money. We're going to be rich. It's going to be a gold mine. Oh yeah, we're all going to be certain free.
Breaking down after every cut.
What's going on in here?
This is gonna be the best, worst mower ever created.
Oh yeah, a mechanic's worst nightmare.
Come on, guys. I'm worried about the consumer and how we can get more money out of them.
I don't know how this never crossed our minds before, but putting a plastic crankshaft in all of our machines, that's a huge bonus. For my bank account.
You guys can't put this crap out! You're all evil! Evil, I say! Evil! Evil!
Oh yeah, Pa? Who's evil this time?
Oh, I had that dream again, Junior!
The one where you run naked through the car wash?
No, not that one. The one where E-Z Wurkz comes out with the worst lawnmower ever.
That doesn't sound like a dream, Pa. That sounds like real life. It looks like they are coming out with a new mower.
What? I don't believe this. We gotta warn everybody about this, Junior.
Well, everyone, I'm glad to say we're about to have liftoff on the new POO 5000.
Yeah.
You guys smell that?
Yeah, what is that?
Yeah, kind of smells like number 2.
No, that's the smell of sweet success.
Good one, yeah.
I got you now.
You sure it's not number 2?
Smells like a number 2.
I'm about to flush this little POO operation down.
Did you sharpen Mother's hedge trimmer?
What? Head trimmer? What are you talking about?
Wake up, Taryl. Wake up. Come on. Did you sharpen Mother's hedge trimmer? She's been on me about it.
Yeah, Slippers. It's ready. We're having that same dream again.
Oh, the one where you're running through the car wash naked?
No, not that one. Pterodactyl here. Today's how-to video is going to be on how to change the governor gear on one of these here Kohler Courage single-cylinder engines. Also known as the bucket engine, because it's like a bucket. And I'm going to show you how to replace the governor gear. So, when you want to know how to disassemble this engine, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to my other video which tells you how to disassemble it to change the gasket. And then there's a link right up here that you can go to and it'll take you right to that video. So you watched my other video which showed you how to tear it down and you got to this point. And this is what you found. This is your governor, all broken, laying in the bottom of the motor. This is what we found. So you go online, order your Kohler dealer, and you buy the kit, the governor gear kit assembly. Now for this bucket engine, this is the SV540 model that we're doing. S is in Sam, V is in Victory 540, also known as the POS 540. And this was the kit we found, 2531008S. And look, it comes with a love note and these pieces. This is a very confusing love note, as usual. So this kit contains one pin governor regulating, 25 millimeter long, 2-pin governor regulating, a gear assembly, and the instructions. So this is the 1-pin, the 25 millimeter. These are the other 2 pins, governor regulating, and the gear. So when you read the instructions, it says the SV470 through the SV620, ours falls in that range, ours is a 540, install the 125 millimeter long regulating pin and governor gear assembly. So all we need is this and this. These two are for the CH940 or CH1000 or the CV940, CV1000. So the CH is the horizontal, the CV is the vertical. These are twin cylinder engines. And they tell you to install the two 9mm long regulating pins. So these are for a different engine, and when you install them like this. So for our bucket engine, we don't need these. So now we're going to go over to the computer and we're going to show you the parts breakdown. Now the parts breakdown is confusing too. So we're going to add some clarity to this so you know, because you're going to get confused just like I did. And that's pretty easy to do when you're working on a crawler. You know what the K in crawler stands for? Confusing. Okay, so we went to an online parts lookup. And this is Crawler's parts lookup. And look, here's the governor gear. And they're showing this, number 12, which is not on our governor gear. So you don't need number 12. I don't know why it's in there. It doesn't tell you why it's in there. But when you order it, you want number 10, which we did, which is that same part number we just ordered. There's the kit. There's the gear, and there's those three other parts that I mentioned. So this is where the confusion comes in, because you're going to look at that and you're going to go, well, what's that part? How come that didn't come in the kit? I didn't get the right kit. They sold me the wrong kit. What's going on with this kit? That's where the confusion comes in. So all you need is this and the gear for this bucket engine, number 10. So this is a page out of the Kohler Courage service manual. This is the service manual. So here is the governor gear and then that pin they call it. So that's all you need. This is in the service manual. Now you can go to Kohler's website and you can download any service manual or just general manual, engine manual, for free. That's where I got this one. Another confusing thing is on this engine, when you look at the parts breakdown, they show this number F, this thrust washer. They show two of them in the parts breakdown. But you're only supposed to have one. And that one goes on the compression release side, where the compression release is. Timed out. Now it's on again. So that's another confusing thing. You look at the parts breakdown and it shows two of these letter Fs, which is a thrust washer, but you only need the one. So to install this gear, it's very simple. It just snaps on. So you get it started on here, and then you got to put this in here. This has got to go in between the weights. See, just like that. So you push it down, you just push it down, and then it locks on. Snap it down on there. And that's it. Now you just reassemble it. You put it all back together. Here's the part number for the gasket for this crawler. Now if you want to put some kind of sealer on there, you can. You don't have to. And then also make sure you Loctite the bolts. But I mentioned all that in the other video I told you to watch. So that's all there is to it, to replacing that governor gear on that crawler bucket engine. Woo! Governor gear replacement bucket engine! Woo! So, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow me, Facebook and Instagram. Come on, get on your junky lawnmower, you grass rats, and follow me. Go to our web store, get your Taryl apparel, and as always, There's your dinner. I already did the hooting and hollering. We gotta stop this thing from being mass-produced, Junior.
I'm with you, Pa. Ah, looks like now's your chance. E-Z Wurkz rep just pulled up.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Just the fellas I wanted to see. I got some exciting news in the world of E-Z Wurkz, baby.
Look, Jeff, I don't want any of that Evil Works crap. I don't know who you gotta talk to, but you need to stop production on that POO 5000.
Psst, good luck, Taryl. We got 500,000 units in a holding warehouse just waiting to hit the streets. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Oh, come on, Jeff. You don't realize what you're doing to the industry.
Yeah, that thing's a steamy pile of POO.
Yeah, well, you didn't think we already knew that when we developed it?
You're evil! You're all evil! You work for an evil company.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Evil Works!
Oh, yeah, Pa? Who's evil this time? Let me guess. E-Z Wurkz?
Yeah, Junior, I had that dream again.
Oh, the one where E-Z Wurkz developed that crappy mower, the POO 5000, and you gotta warn humanity in time? That one? Is that the dream? That one?
Yeah, how'd you know?
You've been having that dream for years now, Pa. Oh, hey, look at this. Looks like an ad for that new E-Z Wurkz mower coming out. POO 5000.
That's the POO 5000 right there.
Yeah, I can't smell it.
For the customer.
Smell that?